it, but you don't need to do much more than that. If you need
Ready
more
to go.
expensive internet package,
Okay, so this is Tableau. Finally, we're able to come here. We've been planning to do so for quite a while, pero ngayon lang natuloy. Finally here at Tableau. Matagal na namin plan pumunta, pero ngayon lang natuloy. Order muna kami. May dalawang nandun. Ayan. Marami pa space. Okay, our orders have arrived. So, here they are. Siyempre, everybody is busy taking photos. Ayan, nakapicture na ng family picture. So, hindi pa raw tapos. As you can see, okay, so we're basically finished, just going to eat our cute dessert. We like the food actually, and the serving is also for sharing. So we basically had a chance to try everybody's food. Happy ang food trip namin na to. Okay, we're having our dessert now. It's what's again? Caramelized something with banana. So, banana cake, banana bread. But very sweet, so definitely for sharing. I should have done the food review while I was eating, but I just do it during the video editing. Go, honey! Maganda yung space na yun. Honey, please open the door. Thank you. Okay, when we came here, wala pang masyadong tao. Ngayon, hanggang dito sa may labas. Ayan, dami ng tao. So, we just got back. We're now home and time to do some chores.